Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 3 of module 4 topic queuing theory. In lecture 2 we discussed about the topic characteristics of queuing system, application of queuing theory where all the queuing theory is being used, and we saw the limitations of queuing theory. In today's lecture we'll discuss about pure birth and death processor model, queuing model representation using Kennedy notation. So first we'll discuss about pure birth processor model. Pure birth process or model is nothing but the process in which where the customers arrive at the queuing system and never leave it. In this model, only arrivals are counted and no departure takes place. The term birth refers to the arrival of the new entity in the system. So, pure birth means only arrival of the customer is considered, the departure of the customer is not considered. The number of customers in the system at a time t before the start of service facility, and it follows Poisson distribution with mean and variance equal to lambda t and is given by Pn of t is equal to lambda t raised to n upon n factorial and e raised to minus lambda t for n is equal to 0, 1, 2. So, pure birth process or model is purely of arrival of the customers. Next is pure death processor model. The pure death processor model is the departure process assumes that no customers arrives in the system while the service is continued for the customers who are already in the system. So pure death process is nothing but so no new customers arrive. Those who are in the queue only for them the service is been continued. Let there be capital N greater than or equal to 1 customers in the system at time t is equal to 0, that is starting time. Since the service is being provided at the rate of mu after being served, such a process is called pure death process, and it is given by equation Pn raised to t mu t raised to capital N minus n divided by capital N minus n factorial into e raised to minus mu t, e raised to minus mu t, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Now let us see queuing model representation using Kennedy notation. D.G. Kendall in 1953 and later A. Lee in 1966 introduced useful notation for queuing models. The complete notation can be expressed as A slash B slash C and D slash E slash F, where A is referred as arrival or inter-arrival distribution, B is referred as departure or service time distribution, C represent number of parallel service channels in the system, and D is the service discipline, E is the maximum number of customers allowed in the system, F is calling source of population. The following conventional codes are generally used to replace the symbols A, B and D. Symbols for A and B are M, that is Markovian, that is Poisson arrival or departure distribution, or exponential inter-arrival or service time distribution. That's why in the introduction they have told M slash M. Okay. E subscript K, Erlangian or gamma inter-arrival or service time distributed with parameter K. GI is general independent arrival distribution. Capital G, general departure distribution. D, deterministic inter-arrival or service time. So these are the symbols used for A and B. Symbols used for D are FCFS, that is based on queue discipline, first come first served. LCFS, last come first served. SIRO, service in random order. GD, General Service Discipline. The symbols E and F represent a finite, that is capital N, or infinite, that is infinite, number of customers in the system and calling source respectively. For instance, capital M slash EK slash 1 semicolon FCFS slash N slash infinity represent Poisson arrival, exponential inter arrival, Erlangian departure, single server, first come first served discipline, maximum allowable customers capital N in the system, and infinite population model. Infinite population model. So that one represent what? Single server. Okay. So this completes queuing model representation using Canada Lee notation. So in the next lecture, we'll solve one problem and we'll see some of the formulas used in queuing system as well. Okay, and using those formulas, how to solve the problem, we'll see. Problems are very easy, so you will easily understand the problems. Thank you.